Here are Sage and Benji puppies, 2 days old. This is the sable and white male. You can see he's got the brown patches underneath his black. This is the sable and white female. Right here. See some lighter patches under her butt. This is the black and white girl. She's got the little black on the face, and then a little black spot on her butt and on her side. We've got a couple of this one's going to be a really curly coated boy. This one here is going to be curly coated boy.